Hi folks, Job Comics here. You've probably all been through to see The Monkey at the cinema recently. Stephen King's short story made into a sort of big screen horror movie. But a lot of Stephen King short stories have been used in other mediums as well, including in Marvel Comics. Here's an issue of Bizarre Adventures, where they did an adaptation of Stephen King's The Lawnmower Man. Now, I know there was a film or two made based on this, but I don't think the film really had an awful lot to do with the short story. But in this issue here of Bizarre Adventures, they did some horror adaptations, yeah. And this one was illustrated by Walt Simonson, and Stephen King is credited as the writer on it, so we can only imagine that they stuck really close to the short story. So Walt Simonson's artwork, just in black and white here, and this is a magazine size. I'll let you have a wee look through some of the pages on it, and you can see what you think of it yourself. So you can see it's quite a bizarre story. I don't want to spoil it all for you in case you want to pick this up somewhere. But there's also there's like an anthology magazine, so there's some other horror stuff in it as well. I think there's a story by J.M. DeMatteis. And I'm pretty sure there's another story at the end of this, if I remember right. Yeah, just a sort of more traditional horror story. Just the same artwork. And sort of cartoon short Bucky Bizarre at the back. So there you go, that's Stephen King short story done Marvel Comics style. In the magazine, Bizarre Adventures, 1981 I think this was, yeah. So there you go, if you see this and you're a fan of Stephen King, or you might want to have a look at the adaptation that they did. There's the front cover again. Hope you enjoyed.